Hi, my name's Jonathan. I was the project manager for the upgrades of the audiovisual systems here at Bunjil Place. Specifically, we were involved in the design, the construct, the installation and the servicing of a whole bunch of services here in this beautiful theatre, including the new premium PA system from D&B, a very large selection of new mixing consoles and related mixing equipment from Allen Heath, as well as a new audiovisual network to control everything inside the venue and a bunch of other services and installation as well.
My name is Dave Jarks. I work for NAS in Melbourne, where I'm the head of the technical engineering team, and I've been involved with this lovely venue and the guys at Factory Sound to make a great sound system, which we're very proud of. So the start of the process for us was always modelling the space and making sure that we have an accurate room in which we can test our designs. In conjunction with Factory, we were able to talk about options of how we can make a system for Bunjil. The great part about that process was that Factory were very keen to push the envelope a little bit and to take us in a direction that's meant that we've ended up with something a bit special here.
I'm Tom, I'm a full-time production officer here at Bunjil Place in Narre Warren. D&B Soundscape has changed the entire way that we mix our live shows. It means that the traditional methods of mixing and using pans is just gone. Gives the audience a better experience of what sound is actually being produced. The new Allen Heath D-Live system has absolutely changed the way that we are able to mix here as well. We're no longer limited by channel counts and we're able to expand almost infinitely to accommodate any clients that we may have come through the venue.
Throughout this 7 to 8 month process of the installation, everyone at Bunjil was very enthusiastic about all the tech that they were about to be receiving. We worked with their tech team all along the way to make sure that the decisions that were being made suited the way that the guys actually operate the venue. We really wanted to be on the ground and involved in the process of where things are going, how they were going to connect, how they were going to operate day to day, the user experience for the techs, and all of those things were primary in the choices we made about equipment and where they went.
Hi, I'm Jackson from Factory Sound. One of the main things that we needed to accomplish was the ability to change consoles. So between, say, a house console and between people bringing in consoles. What we've done with that is we've put in a DM0 and that allows for streams from, say, Maddie and from Dante.
Our new custom control software allows us to easily change between a left and right mix all the way up to a 10-channel immersive, fully controlled PA system. Whatever client we have coming in, we're able to accommodate to.
One of the biggest problems in a venue like this is when you've got guest engineers coming in and there's an open Dante network and they can accidentally change patching on amps and things like that. What we've done is with the DM0, we've created a private network and an open network. So if a guest engineer comes in, they can access all of the inputs to Soundscape, but they can't change any of the patching that goes to any of the amps, meaning that everything stays perfect.
The team at Factory Sound were very accommodating in working around our busy schedule around existing shows and other maintenance periods that we had to work through.
One of the things that Bunjil faced, which most theatres in fact do face, is a problem with having an orchestra pit and needing to avoid the orchestra pit at certain times with the PA system, and then in other times needing to really engage the orchestra pit because there's seating right up to the front of the stage.
Normally you'd have to re-rig or retune and adjust the system. The D&B system allows us to use array processing to electronically control that, so there's no need to re-rig everything. It's simply a button press, and that means really fast turnaround and really accurate results that are repeatable for the staff here.
Factory Sound has been known for its high level of workmanship when it comes to installations for decades now, and we really wanted to up the ante in this occasion and push it to a new level. So every decision we made with cabling, labelling, engineering and commissioning, we did under the gamut of wanting to show this venue as a showcase, and in doing so we provided the venue with an extremely high level of finish.
Working on this project with Factory was really great because they had a great handle on what the customer wanted, and they were also wanting to push the technology to deliver a really premium result. And we certainly appreciate the fact that they've worked so hard to get a great result here.
Factory Sound have been an absolutely outstanding company to partner with on this PA and control systems upgrade, and we're very excited to be working with them well into the future. The support that they've given us has been incredible so far as well.